Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Alina and today is 27th of September. I was not feeling well, so I decided to stay at home and revise the following subjects. I started my day by reading the chapter Making of the Global World. Here I was taking a lecture from Shubham Pathak ma'am of the same chapter because I was having a bit confusion in the last few parts. And after reading the chapter, I was doing the answer writing practice as I have already mentioned in my previous videos as well. I learned by the technique of active recall. After writing the answers, I match it with the book and with a different colored pen, I write the things which I have forgotten to mention in my answers. As I was reading this chapter for the first time, I was also highlighting the important points. After completing SST, I began studying science, in which I was revising the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. Here I am reading the NCERT textbook line by line, and also I am writing the important words, keywords and diagrams in a sheet of A4 paper. I would like to tell you all the same thing, that you must start doing the answer writing practice, as nobody is going to write for you in the board examination. Even if you understand the concepts and know the theory, you must be able to form your own answers. Here I was practicing some ray diagrams of refraction through a prism, and after that I was doing the last topic of this chapter, that is scattering of light. As some of you were asking me how to solve numericals and make ray diagrams in physics, for numericals, first of all read the question twice or thrice until and unless you are unable to understand, then write given, to find, and by applying the appropriate formula solve the question. In this chapter, the numericals are comparatively more easier than the light chapter, but you must remember a few things like a converging lens is a convex lens, a diverging lens is a concave lens, and myopia is also known as short-sightedness, and hypermetropia is also known as long-sightedness. Here I have solved a few numericals. There are some higher order thinking questions. You may take a screenshot of it. I am done with science for today. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the next subject, that is maths. Here I am doing the NCERT questions of circles. I was also doing the examples, and after completing NCERT I would be doing the PYQs. I got this one comment on my previous video asking for some tips of maths. So listen, first of all your basics must be clear. You may see any one-shot lecture for that, and after that you may solve the entire NCERT exercises including the examples for the chapter. If you have opted for basic maths, NCERT is more than enough, and after that you may solve the PYQs. If you have standard maths, then after completing NCERT you may solve NCERT examples or RT Sharma. So here I have completed the entire exercise of circles including examples. Then I started reading the poem Manushyata. Here I was reading the explanation of the stanzas. That's all for today. If you have any query, you may write it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.